Hi guys, so this is Grace again and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So we arrived home. We not even go to Lalimar Beach Resort because what happened that day?
Well, we had a sound come up and we turned around and I tried to figure out what it is. I've determined, I think they got some grease on my brake rotors.
Yeah, it scared.
Either that or it's the tensioner bank.
Yeah, it scared me. It's like about 10 minutes, right?
Yeah.
When we live there in Kinayan Mountain Resort.
Yeah.
So there's a big noise in front of our vehicle. Is that the one you hear?
Well, even if it's a tensioner bank, I do have an extra.
Yeah, we're scared. That's why we go back. We not continue driving on to Lalimar because we're scared and maybe we got another problem again in our van, so it's better safe.
I'll have them check it when we do the replace the boot.
Yeah.
The tie rod is.
So guys, let's walk to the cook. So my husband just stay there. He gonna reheat his chili. My sister Sally sent us chili. My sister Sally sent us pinto beans. Then my husband cooked yesterday. He mixed some chili, so there's a leftover. You're gonna reheat it this afternoon. So let's walk to the cook, guys, because it's been past days now that we're not able to check our chickens. Only my friend Bastion is the one who feed them because it's been raining hard lately here and it's so muddy, as you can see. I'm gonna show you the ground. Super muddy there. So my husband can't go right now because it's very slippery in here. Look at that ground. So let's go check the chickens. Still cloudy, guys. So it's almost 3 p.m. in the afternoon here. Oh, look at our chicken, guys. Oh my god, what happened to the sunscreen? The water is leaking. I think my father already gave them some foods around 2 p.m. So I'm gonna give them more foods. Oh my god, what happened to the screen here? To the sunscreen in here. Look at that. Oh, maybe because of the strong wind today. Oh, it damaged, guys. Damage. We need to put it back. It's really damaged. So maybe we're gonna buy more. It's really not strong. I don't know how many eggs today, but lately we've been collecting lots of eggs. And we're still waiting for our new incubator because the big incubator that we had is damaged. Gilawgan mo ni pa. So there's 2 eggs in here. Gonna bring it inside and we're gonna put some date because maybe the other incubator that we order, maybe tomorrow it will be arrived here, so we're gonna put that eggs there because it be good for maybe about 4 days. So it's another one. Wow, Look at that, guys. There's more in there. There's 5 pieces of eggs in here, in this nest here. Wow, thank you, Lord. So, it's 7 here outside. Look at them, guys, the chicken. They've been waiting with me to give. I'm gonna give them some foods after I check some of our chicken here in the pen. Look at them. They're waiting for me. Gilawgan na rin mo? Pa? Gilawgan ni mo? Nara ko diri, oy! My father can't hear.
So ba?
Gilawgan ni mo, ne?
Ako nagilawgan na.
Lawgan mo tani, dung rami, nagilawgan ko na ni mo. Ako yung tagaan, oy!
Ayun ako na. Yung sabi ko, ano, katumba ko may sudaw. Nao, katungkol sa ba? Nakuha mas hangin good.
Oh my God, our light here. My father I need to louder my voice because he can't hear me well. Oh, look at that, guys. I need to fix the panel because of that strong wind. This sunscreen here, this one damage our panel, so we're gonna put it, I need help here because my friend Bastion, they are at Bacolod City. They've been attending some birthday party yesterday, so later today they be arrive. Later this afternoon they be arrive here. So I'm gonna try to let them help me to fix that one there at the back because there's a panel there at the bottom that needs to be fixed. So let's check here in this pen here. Okay. Sorry guys, because it's really hard. Hi! Look at them. This is the black astrolor in this pen here. They have no eggs. I'm shocked. They have no eggs. So there's 2 hens and 1 rooster. On this side here, let's check the others. Oh, they have no water. You need to give them some water. I need to give them more foods and water. It's really hard to close this door. So let's check to the other side. This is the other pen that we put some of our Rhode Island Red because we're gonna incubate the eggs and we make sure that they are fertile. So this one over here, we have 2 Rhode Island Red and 1 rooster. There's no eggs also. Maybe my father put on that nest there that 5 eggs outside. I think he put it all there. So my father already feed them around 2 p.m. this afternoon, but I'm gonna give them more foods because looks like they are still hungry. I can tell in their face that they are hungry. Hi, so some of our selkie here on this pan here. Guys, hi. One of our selkies in the nesting box. I think she's about to lay, ready to lay eggs. What are you doing? Oh, you have one egg on there. So she have one eggs there, guys. She have one egg. Fresh egg. So we're gonna put some date on this egg here. And maybe by tomorrow that new incubator will be arrived. So we're gonna incubate this egg. We just put some dates today. Because this is good for maybe 4 to 5 days. So we just put some date because we have a lot of eggs inside. And hopefully our incubator will be arrived today because so that we can start incubating next batch of eggs, because we have another one, the small incubator, but it's only about 36 eggs. It's not really that many. So I'm gonna check to the other pin. I'm gonna put the eggs first on this side here. So I think my father put all the eggs on this nest here. And let's check to the other pin, guys. Let's see. Mr. Long. We have Mr. Long, our Shamu roaster here, but I can't go inside because he's very aggressive. Even my friend Bastion can't even go closer to him because he's very aggressive and he will bite you. And I can't go inside, guys. I just want to look outside. He's in that pen there. I don't want to get hurt because he's very strong, because he's big. And I don't want to be closer the chicken, so I'm gonna show you closer, guys. So that's our Shamu roaster there. We called it Mr. Long. He's getting bigger, guys, as you can see. Last time that we've been here, he's very thin and now he's very fat. And there's 3 hens there, the Rhode Island. Look at, oh my god, fall down. Oh, the wind here is very strong. Look at that, guys. So I can't go inside because maybe he's gonna attack me. It's very strong. That Shamu roaster is very strong. So you need to be careful. I'm gonna go closer to him. Look how fat he is. Hi! Hi there! And there's 3 hens at the top. Hi there! Hi! Hello! And now he's behaving because he knows that I'm the boss. He's behaving, guys. So I'm gonna check the chicken in the pullet pen also. So this is our pullet pen here. Hi! Also, this is our babies. Oh, our babies getting bigger. Hi! Oh, no foods. No more foods in this container here. So I'm gonna give them more foods and more water for them here. We give them some vitamins. Look at how big they are now. Maybe by next week we're gonna turn them loose. So this chicken here, we are mixing with them with native chickens, native hens. That's why they are different from our Rhode Island Red. They are look different from our Rhode Island Red because we do a crossbred on them. And their under legs, as you can see, that it's much longer because we crossbreed them with the other chicken. This is how they look. They are not purebred, they are crossbred. So look at them. They are bigger now, guys. I'm gonna give them some foods because they're still hungry. They're waiting for me. Since we give them extra foods, they are laying more eggs. So maybe that's what happened. That's why lately that we've not been collecting a lot of eggs because we're not giving them enough foods. Give them some cracked corn. It's like they're still hungry. Hi. Hi there. It's really hard. They wrap it in the plastic here. Look at it. Inside in this one here. They're hungry, guys. I give them some cracked corn. So far, we are lucky because our chickens, they are very healthy. Because last year, we've been losing a lot of chickens and it's really sad. We almost give up that time. So, we are so very happy that this year, we're not been losing a lot. They've been sick, but we're not been losing a lot. So hopefully it will continue because we really enjoyed our chickens and we really love them. This is our kind of enjoyment looking at them. As you can see, they are more fatter now and very healthy. So I'm gonna give them more foods there in the pen and some water. Hi there. They're enjoying that crack corn, guys, as you can see. So they are very full now, guys, as you can see. There's some more foods there in the ground. And they are very full. So you have some 8 eggs here, this container. So I'm gonna put some date today so that we can incubate by tomorrow. If the incubator will be arrived tomorrow. So we're gonna incubate these eggs. And also the babies, they are very full. They're not babies anymore in this polypen. They are very full. Give them extra foods also. Hi there. So all of these chicken here outside that we turned them loose is Rhode Island Red. So, but some of our Rhode Island Red, we put it in the pen on that side there, on the other side too. But all of this one here is mostly is Rhode Island Red. And we're gonna incubate their eggs also. So we just turn them loose because they are many. We have a lot of hen here. So I'm gonna bring the eggs and I'm gonna go back to the house and look at that, guys. Hi there. I think this is the new layer. Oh, look at this one over here. Check this out. This looks like a mushroom, but this is not edible. Maybe you cannot eat this one. It looks like a mushroom. This tree here is a coconut tree. We cut them when we build this coop because there's a lot of coconut tree in this area here. So we cut them and we use the wood to build the coop. And there's only one left of the coconut tree in this side. There's a lot of buko there at the top. So soon we're gonna cut this one because maybe it fall down and it will damage some of our coop here, or pen, sorry. So maybe it will be fall down, it will be damage some of our pen here and our fence. So we're gonna cut it off and we're gonna use the wood of that coconut tree also. There's a lot of buko there at the top. As you can see, I get closer on it. There's a lot of buko there. Still, it's not ready enough to get. They're very thirsty, guys. Look at that. So I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna put this one in the house, the eggs. Looks like they are okay now. Looks like their tummy is very full. So I'm gonna go out. They are very happy now because they are very full. So let's go back to the house, guys. Unsay sudan ninyo, ma? Wa mo'y sudan? Namoy talong? Nay kanon. Aya. I'm asking my mama what's our foods, what's our dinner. The orders. Oh, daghan kumpay oh. Kanding na. So my mama and my sister is there. Asa man yung mangga? Mag-vlog na pud mo. Vlogger na ra ba ni si Mingga? Mengs. Magkaog mangga.
Kami mangga labawon. Namasawa di ka mano?
Gipasawa ng pa palas dos na akong gitaga-agamay ra kay murag gigutom pa. My grandma's mango, guys, is a lot there. Naoy. Si Willie rin nagkuha na naman sila. Oh, there's a lot of mango there.
Dahil kay mangga labawon dahil. Nabungol ko sa hangin oy.
Lots of mango there, guys. So this mango tree, my grandma owns this one. And there's a lot of mango at the top. Oh, there's a lot of ripe mango there at the top. Gibaligya na po ng lula. Gibaligya ng lulang mangga, ha? So my grandma owns maybe 5 mango tree. So some of them he sold to the other person for 3,000 pesos. Only the mango, but the mango tree she still own it. Di gonna sell it when it ripe. Saman? Alam mo ginamos, hinog na. Di naman na mahilis kay hapon.
Sige, ila ko na nimo sa sir, nabihanan na ko. Nakabuske mo na.
Okay, na ito man ko.
Kabuske, wag mangga. Giling mangga.
Dan magtangay mangga. Butangan pa ni mangga ni mama dito kay buan kana ibigay kinilo. Nang kay manguwag kana hilo.
Oh, my mama is a vlogger now, guys.
Vlogger.
And my sister, she's a vlogger now. Please subscribe her on her channel. Unsay mo channel?
Vlog ko channel oy.
Nabi siya katong YouTube. She have no YouTube channel yet, but
Wa man ko ni padayon.
she still do video there in Facebook Reels.
Bumutang lagi yun sa mangga. Bumutang sa mangga.
My grandma, guys, oh.
Na, hubog na. Hubog na.
She's been drinking kulapo.
Hubog na slow lang.
Her face is turning pink because she's been drinking kulapo, guys.
Isa di kang bayana, oy.
Saman.
Wa mo ko kita maging anak na siya. Bana nga vlogger na sa nagbikini.
So this is my Lula's garden here, my grandma's garden. She have a lots of lemongrass on here. That's a lemongrass. Oh, there's a lot. And this is okra, guys. A lady finger. This is good. We called it okra. Oh, look at this, guys. What is that? It's a bug. That's a bug. Look at that, guys. Woo! There are many. It's not a ladybug. Looks cute. There are many in there. I don't know what kind of bug is that. Looks scary. And she have also some spinach on this side here. Lots of spinach and kalamunggay. And there's papaya on this side here. There's papaya, guys. Siya ba lots of papaya tree. Look at that. There's more. That's papaya. And there's more on the back side. There's a lot of papaya in here. More lemongrass. And she have also some banana there. And we have some lime on here. There's a lime on here. We called it lemoncito. And she have also some cassava plant. This is the look of cassava plant. And there's more lemongrass on that side. And more cassava plant. There's more. Look at these pretty flowers. It's so pretty. We called it daisy. This flower, we call it daisy. African daisy. And there's more okra on here. A ladyfinger. This is a vegetables that it's really good also for the soup. And you can eat it with vinegar and salt. You just steam it, and with vinegar and salt, it's really good. And there's more cassava plant. So that's our house over there. And this one over here, this is the piggery house of my mama. There's no pig there anymore because we cooked them last June for fiesta here, and she gonna raise more pigs maybe by next month. So that's the mango tree of my grandmother. And this is the house of my the sister of my grandma. This is her house. But right now she's in Cebu working. Maybe by December she gonna go back here, and this is where she stay when she's here. She stay in this house because she owns this. It's really cute. But she's alone also. She have no husband because her husband already passed away, and she have also that light, a solar light. So this is my grandma's chickens. Lots of chicks. 5 chicks. Plastic.
Isang mangga ni Popo.
Oh, that's cute. Oh. So let's go back to the house, guys. Ugma na lang kay kuan. Magluto pa ko. So maybe tomorrow, guys, we're gonna go to the other side of my grandma's mango tree. We're gonna get ripe mango. There's a lot of ripe mango on the other side. So maybe I'm gonna do some video while we're picking some mango. Look at the ground, guys. It's so muddy. So some of our chickens also is in this quarantine area here. They've been having cold, but they are getting better. Hapon. So I'm gonna put some date on this egg here so we can incubate them by tomorrow, hopefully. So this area here, we own this coconut tree now. This area there, we own that one and this one. Makasiin ka? Sila. Magdala ka mo. 120 lang dahil. So I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much again for watching my videos and for all the nice comments. I really do appreciate it all. So see you on my next video. And I really do appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for the love and support. So see you on my next video, guys. God bless us all.